So are we done with NIO? Is all hope lost? Is it just time to give up on the stock? What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Quartzite Financial. Today we're going to be talking about NIO's stock price. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. Make sure you hit the like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. And if you want to be a part of the conversation before it happens here on YouTube, click the link in the description to join the free Quartzite Financial Discord. When you open up your new brokerage account, you'll receive one free stock valued anywhere from $2.50 to $250. And when you make that initial deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive another free stock, and this free stock will be valued anywhere from $8 to $1,600. Lastly, cryptocurrency is now available on WeBull, so you can trade cryptocurrency on the platform with zero commission. So like I said, today we're going to be talking about NIO. It's currently 6:08 p.m. Central Time here in Texas, and the stock is currently trading at $33.70. It is up 1.17% for the day, and it's down 0.33% in the after hours. Black and white, let's just call it like it is. NIO has been a portfolio wrecker lately. It's down pretty close to 43% over just the last 3 months. So are we done with NIO? Is all hope lost? Is it just time to give up on the stock? Well, I think that a conversation around investing is super important during times like this. And investing to me is long-term over short-term. I've been talking for NIO for well over a year on my channel, and a lot of you guys have been right there with me. So today NIO's in the low 30s. What is it, $33.81? A lot of people never thought that they would see NIO go back to these levels, myself included. But where was NIO at a year ago today? NIO was at $3.61 a year ago today. So over the last 365 days, the stock is up over 836.5%. A lot of people fail to realize this, and I'm seeing a lot of impatience. Now, psychologically, yes, we all want our portfolios to go to the moon every day, but we have to come back to reality at some point, and that reality is that stocks are cyclical, markets are cyclical. What goes up eventually has to come down and cool off. The EV market as a whole isn't in the best place right now. It's not just NIO. The broader market as a whole isn't in the best place right now. Everyone's not just making money in stocks all willy-nilly these days at this particular point in time. And that's the problem here, is that a lot of people entered the market in 2020 and they had these unrealistic expectations. There's people who are gonna leave the stock market and end up leaving because they're frustrated because they invested into terrible companies, you know, with business models that show no signs of viability in the future. AMC, that's why I wouldn't touch AMC with a 10-foot pole. Which I've talked about on the channel, that a lot of people at some point will be very disappointed with the stock market because there was just a lot of bad behavior. In 2020, that was some of the worst behavior in the stock market. A little serious. People were putting money into everything. People were treating the market like a buffet. I'll grab some of this, I'll grab some of this. This is the next thing that's going to take off. Well, now we deal with the consequences of 2020. If you didn't realize that investing is a game that requires you to balance your emotions and handle the volatility. A lot of stocks going up in the short term means more money short term, but stocks going down means way more money long term if you pick the right company. So take that into account and decide what type of investor you want to be. Another thing that I want to touch on in this video is that there's a lot of people who live and die by NIO. You know, I talk about other companies on my channel, and I'm not the most diversified, right? I only hold about like 6, 7, or 8 stocks. A lot of people wouldn't consider that a diversified portfolio, and I agree. But diversification to some extent is important. That's why I do it. I literally said a while ago that I feel like the chip shortage is Yushin's game. Few weeks after, probably a month or so after I posted that video, and on that video people disagree with me, well, guess what? In that particular company, I've more than doubled my money. So just some food for thought. I hope this puts some things into perspective and helps people get through what we'll refer to as the dark times for NIO stock, even though the stock is up over 800% from where it was a year ago today. But if this video was helpful to you guys at all, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down below. As always, I want to know what you guys think, and also as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.